I'm Stephanie Brown from Intelligent Construction Opportunities. Today, our guests are from Tracecost.
We all come from engineering and construction management background, and we understand the industry nuances well. Tracecost started operations in 2019. We are a Calgary headquartered company. We have our proprietary construction management platform. We call it a platform and not a software because we don't offer a point solution. It's a mix of 10 plus modules. Each caters to different aspect of project lifecycle. Tracecost is being used on 40 plus projects across the globe. We raised our pre-series funding of 2.5 million USD by one of the largest VCs, Tiger Global. We look forward to expanding our operations further within North America. Over to you, Beck.
Thanks, Ash. Today we'll be specifically focused on the contract management system. In a world like today, where data is the new oil, losing big time on the data. It's mainly because of the inadequate handling of the data, the documents, the contracts, mismanagements between the teams, a lack of accountability, who's doing what, the project managers, they don't know when the contract is expiring. So as per the statistics, every single year construction industry is losing 1.8 trillion dollars, and out of which 88 billion dollars is avoidable. The rework costs a lot of time and money, and if things are falling into place with the right documentation, right communication, these reworks could be easily eradicated from the construction project. The projects can match their schedule and the budget. Websites have a lot of construction data based on how the leakage is happening, where the construction economy is losing money, where it's thriving, where it's making business. In Canada right now, construction industry is booming, but because of inefficient management, the industry is lacking.
Where are you really seeing the biggest issues? Because there are many different kinds of contracts.
I'll give you an example. So I used to work for a company and everything was going smooth. The planning stage, we were thriving. But at the end of the project, we were supposed to maintain contracts based on the testing of the materials. When we were handing over the project, the client asked, where's the contracts for the material test? And because our project manager was maintaining a file, a physical file, all of a sudden the file disappeared. That created a lot of hassle. The poor guy was let go because of that. And my company was also penalized. And then we had to get the tests again, and they were pretty expensive. So a lot of rework, a lot of confusion between the teams.
It's a lot more than just the word contract. It includes basic day-to-day communications and correspondences between different stakeholders at the construction project site. It could be different RFIs, it could be different tools, transmittals, any of such correspondences. GCs are the one who bear all the brunt of any delays, any cost overruns, any schedule overruns. As per the contract, if there is certain documentation that is needed from the client side, let's say certain designs, certain government work permits that are required before the work is started, at times when those are delayed, usually what happens is GCs are still the one who bear the losses or who bear the brunt. All across the span of, let's say, 2 years, what was the delay from the client side? Wherein the work permits were not given in time, wherein the designs were not given in time, wherein the specifications were not given in time. Now, when the project was delayed, the GC we were looking for was able to put up a claim to the client. The document controllers basically had maintained all the proper records of where the delays happened, what were the correspondences and the communications that were sent from the GCs to the clients. And this is where effective contract management comes into picture. That is, you have to use a proper setup that helps you do that.